Hello, I haven't done a coffee video for a while. Technically, this isn't a coffee video, but it's close. And I figured if I'm gonna compare two things on camera. Nope, that's not what I even meant to say. I said if I'm gonna compare two things, it should have been on camera. Okay, I guess there's an outtake for this. Hey guys, so here's a little bonus content for you that I wasn't planning on filming. Just so happens that we have some real apple cider from an orchard. So Nia and I decided to test that, comparing it to the K-Cups that we saw in an earlier video. So I actually already filmed that segment. I'm filming the intro afterwards because I didn't know I was going to do it. So I already know the results, but you'll find them out when you... this is an outtake. This is dumb. Hello and welcome back. I haven't done a coffee video for a while. And in fact, this isn't necessarily a coffee video, but it's adjacent. And if I'm going to compare two things, I figured I might as well do it on camera and maybe help somebody else. I will be doing some more coffee videos soon because I'm long overdue to place some more Tirani and Monin orders. I was going to do it over the summer and just never got around to it, and I need to do it now. Because I want some fall flavors. Fall is when I like to drink warm things and spicy things, and which brings us to today's video. Apple cider is a big deal to me in the fall. We always had hot apple cider in the fall. When I was a kid, we would go to the apple orchard and get it. And I realized that you can get hot apple cider from K-Cups. And I've been buying these Grove Square spiced apple. And Amazon no longer stocks them. So I need to find an alternative. I can either buy those from another big evil retailer that's not as convenient as Amazon, but still big and evil. Or I can go with the Mott's brand, which Amazon has. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to find any at a smaller, more local, less evil retailer. So what we're going to do today is we're going to compare those two, and we're going to see if the Mott's is a good substitute. I will say, of course, that neither one is anywhere near getting fresh apple cider from an orchard. And so that's obviously preferable. But this is nice because I can just keep it in the house. I don't have to worry about it going bad. I don't have to worry about it taking up space in the fridge. It's just it's just a nice, convenient way to have hot apple cider. And I will typically doctor it with cinnamon or nutmeg or cloves or cinnamon sticks. Maybe we'll do that in the video for round two. Initially, I'm not going to do that. We're just going to try it as is. I'll use this Chulux single cup K-Cup maker that has been an MVP for me since I think we moved into this place. And I fill to the 20 ounce mark. Do these actually say? Maybe they say on the box. I've always just done coffee to the 12 ounce mark. Let's see if these have any instructions. Peel. Not seeing anything about how much ounces of water they want you to use. So, they say on the cups themselves. No. I found that with coffee, that worked the best. I'll try this other brand. Interesting. These say to choose the 8 ounce setting. I've never done that. I've always gone to 20. So, we may have to try a few different things. Did I fill it to 20? Oh, I'm dumb. I'm going to start the video over.